Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Central Command says US forces struck Iranian missile drone and radar sites after attack on commercial vessel in Strait of Hormuz. US Central Command said US forces conducted strikes against Iran on June 26 after an attack on a commercial ship transiting the Strait of Hormuz. CENTCOM described the action as a response to Iran's June 25 attack on the MV Ever Lovely. U.S. aircraft struck Iranian missile and drone storage locations and coastal radar sites, according to CENTCOM. The command said the targets were hit after Iran used a one-way attack drone against the Singapore-flagged cargo ship. The MV Ever Lovely was exiting the Strait of Hormuz along the Omani coast when it was attacked. CENTCOM said the attack targeted commercial shipping moving through a key international trade corridor. CENTCOM said the Iranian action clearly violated the ceasefire. It also said Iran's conduct undermined freedom of navigation as commerce continues to move through the Strait of Hormuz. The command said U.S. forces continue to provide safe passage coordination and support to commercial vessels transiting the strait. CENTCOM said the U.S. military remains present and vigilant in the area. The statement said U.S. forces are working to ensure all aspects of the agreement with Iran are adhered to, obeyed, and remain in full force and effect. CENTCOM framed the strikes as part of that effort following the attack on the commercial vessel. The Strait of Hormuz remains a vital route for international commerce, according to the CENTCOM statement. The command said Iran's attack on the MV Ever Lovely increased risks to shipping in the corridor. Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.